Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix F2 error on Westinghouse Dishwasher. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So if you're getting the F2 error here on your Westinghouse dishwasher, well, there are a few things here that you may want to do and you may want to check. Now, first, what does the F2 error means? Now, if the error F2 error actually appears on your dishwasher here, it means that there's some drainage issue on your dishwasher. Which in this case, the first thing that you may want to do here is you may want to check for any blockages at the bottom here of your dishwasher and see if it's actually blocked or if there's water built up in there. So if you do see there is water buildup in there, it means that again this is the cause of your F2 error. Now if you do not see it, you may want to check your filter, see if it's actually blocked, and basically clean it out and see if that actually helps. But if you do see some water on it, what you could do here is you could do a very simple trick here. So in this case, you want to go and just spread baking soda at the bottom of your well, in this case, your dishwasher. So in this case, just spread it around and make sure it mix well with the actual water that is stuck in there. Or if there's no water in there, you may want to add some, but not just any ordinary water here. Maybe like warm or hot water could actually help, because sometimes the issue itself might be some, let's just say like cold, or in this case buildup of oil in at the bottom of your dishwasher here. So yeah, so make sure that baking soda here is diluted, and you want to slowly add vinegar here until you get that reaction that we are looking for, which in this case the bubbling reaction that we are going to use to basically drain, or in this case remove the blockages in your dishwasher here. So in this case, again, slowly add this one, don't just pour it out, pour everything out in here. Slowly add it and until you get that specific or the right amount of bubbling here that we want. So usually it might take around like 2 to 3 times in order for you to get this fixed, but you can go and try that and see if that actually helps. Now if this doesn't not help for you, the best and last thing that you could try doing here is to reach out to support and see what are your options. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.